Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah. Hey guys. How you doing? It's Nailmas. It's Nailmas Day 1. Yes it is. And I'm actually recording, well not recording, doing the voiceover and editing on Nailmas Day 1. And it's 9 p.m. But I'm gonna get this video out. And I'm gonna get tomorrow's video and probably the next day's video prepared. So I won't be late no more. Cause this is ridiculous. Anyways, we're doing some curve tips, some basic curve tips with some nail charms. If you guys look in the look on the video in the right corner, I'm telling you guys what I'm using and the brand. So feel free to look it up, or if you need a link, the links will be in the description. So yeah. Anyways, how are you guys doing? I'm doing great. I'm hoping that this fan doesn't come on with the bullshit, but it is what it is. Okay, cool. So I'm taking my 88-degree hand file and crisping up these nails. She is a thumb sucker, so she likes her thumbnails short. Yes, ma'am. Yes, she does. So what I do is I go at a 90-degree angle against the nails on the free edge, and then I hit the sides and I make sure it's fitting sidewall to sidewall, crispy, crispy. The tips, I didn't tell you where I got the tips from. They'll be in the description bar below, but these tips are from Shelville on Instagram. I don't think she has these tips anymore though. So yeah, I have recently found some from this shop on Etsy. I'll link them down below if you guys want to check them out as well. I hear the fan low key creeping up on me. Alright, so I'm gonna start with that thin layer clear on a natural nail. Yes, ma'am, yes, Ersky vibes. Random fact, the brush that I'm using right now is like one of my first nail brushes from 2020. It is 2023, so yeah. Invest in a good nail brush. Don't be afraid to spend your money on nail brushes, for sure, for sure. And I always say is a thin layer clear acrylic. It's never that thin. I don't know why I be lying. It does not be that thin. Look at the curve on the nail. Alright, so the color I'm using is Peacefully from Nail Supply Glamour. I did, however, add in, I think, some clear to this color just to make it a little less opaque. So yeah, y'all give me a second. I'll be back so I can let my computer cool down just a little bit, because I just honestly don't want to hear the fan at all on none of my voiceovers. I think it's tacky and I really want to give you guys good quality content. So we're gonna let my computer cool off and I'll be right back. Okay, that was quick. So we doing curved nails, of course. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. So when we are doing curved nails, we stack them beads, baby. We stack them. All right. Pick up the acrylic, drain it, drop it. Time the top, time the top. Seal it, seal it, seal it, seal it, seal it. Yes, ma'am. You see me moving my head from side to side, moving the nail from side to side. That's because I need to tame it. I need to make sure that it is looking really good on the cuticle. Clean it up for sure. And you're gonna do what? Bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. All right, let's do it again. Pick it up, drain it, drop it, tame it, tame it, tame it, tame it, tame the top, tame the top. Bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Ain't nothing new. The technique is the technique, and it never fails me. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? All right. Making sure you keep the shade, keep the shade. Yes, ma'am. Pick it up. I didn't drain it. I just dropped that thing up on there. And now I got a lot of taming to do. Tame it, tame it, tame it, tame it, tame it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And what we gonna do? Bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And we're gonna do the same thing for all the nails. Alright, drain it, drop it, tame the top. Y'all see my head? It is in the way. It is in the way. It's always in the way. Tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it around, bring it around. Clean it up, clean it up. Making sure it's sidewall to sidewall. Just like the tip. One more bead. It was a little thin up there. Yes, ma'am. Clean it up. Don't use your fingers. Okay? Don't use your fingers. Alright, so I'm gonna play some music and y'all can just watch, and I do encapsulate these with clear. The clear music is from me a secret. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. And as a matter of fact, while I'm asking y'all to leave me a comment, I want you guys to leave the crown emoji. Yeah, leave the crown emoji because these nails is fire and they're classy. Okay, they fire and they classy. So y'all leave that crown emoji, and I'll be back when we get to reshaping. Okay, so we laid our acrylic, we encapsulated it, and now we're using our 80-degree hand file. And what we doing? We getting them nails right. Of course, of course, of course. Okay, so the 80-degree hand file is the one that I used in the beginning. I got this from Real Tulip Deals or Tulip Real Deal, something like that. The link is in the description, y'all. The link is in there, I swear. So yeah. And y'all already know when I am using my 80-degree hand file, I like to make sure that the nail is tapered. And the way you taper it to the finger is by making sure you hit where the natural nail and that tip meet, because the acrylic somehow, some way tends to expand right there. And we need to make sure it is tapered, baby. We want it to be tapered. And we also want to knock all the lumps and bumps out them nails using this file, because no, that's ugly and it ain't cute and that ain't how we rock around this mug. You feel me? So yeah. And you, like I said, you, and I like the bottom of my nails to be like flat. I don't want it to be like humpy, lumpy, dumpy, none of that. Square, flat, yes, or coffin or taper square, whatever. I just need it to be flat. Where the acrylic is on top, I need it to be flat, y'all. Okay? Okay. Now I'm taking my E file. This is the Scarlet Susie. I'm using a 180 grit sanding band. The sanding bands I got from Panna. I'm pretty sure I linked that in the description bar below. So y'all, if you're looking for anything, it's in the description. It's in the description. Once again, leave me a crown comment below, along with your questions if you have any questions, or what you want to see during Nailmas, because I'm dropping a video every day for the next 25 days, and I ain't playing. Okay, if I miss a day, I owe you 2 the next day, for sure and for sure. And that's just that on that, because ain't a period. Make sure you go up under them nails and clean them up. Don't nobody want no ugly, rigidy underside of them nails. That's not cute. Like, that's not cute at all. To be honest, it's not. And once again, you go around the cuticle to seal it. I'm sorry, my fingers is in the way that angle was wrong. It was wrong, but I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna get it right. I promise. So yeah, and we cut down the bulk using this. Yes, guys, I learned how to use my e-file instead of using my hand file for everything. Aren't y'all proud of me? I had to cut off the thumb because it was out of frame. So yeah, I had to cut off the thumb a few times because it was out of frame. But I'm not gonna go back and forth with y'all about it, because y'all seen 4 other fingers, and I did the exact same thing. So this is a regular barrel bit, and extra fine. I'm using that to seal them cuticles nice and tight, nice and right, baby. You know what I'm talking about? If you don't know what I'm talking about, you should know what I'm talking about. So yeah, and it's looking real good. Looking real good. Oh my god, I hear the fan. It's coming. It's coming. I only got 2 more minutes though. I only got 2 more minutes to talk, so hopefully I can get through these next 2 minutes without being, irritated. Look, out of frame, blurry, head in the way. This is just me cleaning up, making sure I got it tapered as much as I possibly can to the nail. And I'm dusting my clients off. Make sure you dust your clients off, for sure and for sure. Okay, so now we finna put some charms on here. Using it to apply. Dang, y'all. Oh my lord. To apply the charms that I got from Amazon, these are some cherry charms that I got from Amazon. To apply them, I'm using the Macart rhinestone glue, and I'm drying it using my mini LED lamp. Okay, and then I put it inside the nail lamp for a full cure. And you do have to cure this rhinestone glue. Okay, and y'all already know what the top coat is. What the top coat will always be is Beatles, bitch. Okay, Beatles need to sponsor me, low key. But that's neither here nor there. I'll wait my turn like everybody else. But Beatles, reach out for sure. Okay, reach out. Yeah, I love y'all. So yeah, top coat is Beatles, and I'm pretty sure this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave me comments in the, below the, and leave me some comments, y'all. Listen, just leave me some comments, like the video, share the video. If you happen to come across my Instagram or my Facebook page, y'all leave me a comment. All right, and the finished product is at the end. Bye. Once again, leave me a crown emoji in the comment section. Bye.